How often should you water a bonsai? Here's the brutal truth. If you're on a schedule, you're already doing it wrong. Most beginners treat bonsai like houseplants. Water every morning, or every 2 days, or whenever they remember. And then the leaves crisp. Or worse, the roots rot. Because bonsai don't follow your calendar. They follow conditions. Here's the rule. Check every day. Water when it needs it. Stick your finger in the soil, about an inch deep. If it's dry, water thoroughly. If it's damp, leave it. It's not about routines, it's about response. Hotter day, water evaporates faster. Cooler week, less demand. This is tree whispering, not time management. Look at the leaves too. Soft and perky? Probably fine. Limp or slightly curled? Thirsty, dry and crunchy? You're late. But hey, we've all been there. Just don't make it a habit. If this is helping already, hit that subscribe button. I post bonsai care tips like this all year round. And next time, we're diving into why your bonsai leaves are turning yellow and what to do about it. Also, if you want the full care guide laid out clearly, from watering to wiring, grab the Essential Bonsai Guide. Links on screen now. In summer, you might water twice a day. In winter, maybe once every few days, or even less. It all comes back to feel the soil, not the clock. And when you do water, don't splash and dash. Soak it properly until water runs out the drainage holes. Let the tree drink, then let it breathe. Watering a bonsai isn't a chore, it's a conversation. Each day, your tree tells you what it needs. You just have to show up and listen. So ditch the calendar, trust your fingers, and don't forget, your bonsai's counting on you, but not your alarm clock. See you next time under the canopy.